Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my thoughts on a product that's been making waves in the health and wellness world, Cappuccino MCT. If you're into fitness, weight loss, or just want more energy throughout your day, this might be something worth checking out. So let's break down what it is, what's inside, and whether it actually lives up to the hype. Let's take a closer look at the key ingredients. MCT oil, medium chain triglycerides known to increase metabolism and support fat loss. Garcinia cambogia, a tropical fruit extract with HCA, which may help suppress appetite and reduce fat storage. Guarana, a natural caffeine source that helps increase energy and focus. Inulin, a prebiotic fiber for better digestion and gut health. Chromium, a trace mineral that helps balance blood sugar and reduce cravings. It's a pretty powerful blend of metabolism boosting and appetite controlling ingredients, all in 1 cup of coffee. Now let's talk about results. Some users reported increased energy, a reduced appetite, and a noticeable improvement in sticking to their diet plans. One reviewer even mentioned they were able to reduce fat specifically in the abdomen and thigh areas after using it regularly. Of course, results vary from person to person, and supplements like this work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Preparing Cappuccino MCT is super easy. Add 3 full scoops into a glass. Pour in 150 milliliters of warm or cold water, your choice. Stir well for about 30 seconds until it's nice and smooth. And you're good to go. A creamy coffee-based drink that supports your goals. Oh, is Cappuccino MCT worth it? If you're looking for a tasty and convenient way to support your weight loss journey, and you love coffee, this could be a great addition to your routine. It's not a magic solution, but it can definitely complement a healthy lifestyle. Want to check it out for yourself? Tap the link in the description to learn more and try Cappuccino MCT today. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've tried Cappuccino MCT or have any questions. See you in the next one.